Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with junk seller. Today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron and brass at Dinu's big shop. Here Kiran has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron, brass and at the Dinu's big shop. See, in the last session I told you that Kiran buys junk from the junk collector and sells it to the big shop at the Dinu's big shop. Dinu weighs 32 kg of iron, 4 kg brass, 152 kg newspaper, 63 kg plastic. Here are some photographs of big junk shop, or we can say Dinu's big shop. So here you can see Dinu's rate list. So Dinu weighs 32 kg of iron, 4 kg of brass, 152 kg of newspaper, 63 kg of plastic. So how much will Dinu pay for 63 kg of plastic? So here from the rate list you can see at the number 4 plastic is 12 rupees per kilogram. So again weight into rate or rate into weight. So the rate of 1 kilogram plastic is rupees 12. So the cost of 63 kilogram of plastic will be 12 into 66, right? 12 is rate and 63 is weight. So remember you used boxes to multiply two numbers in the classroom class 3, if you remember. Yes. So here also do like that. 12 into 63 will break 12 and 63 into two parts. 12 10 plus 2 and 63 60 plus 3. So we have break 12 and 63 into tens and ones. 60 into 10, right? Then 3 into 10, 60 into 2, 3 into 2. So after you do this step, you can also check that 2 times all the numbers has to come. So 60 60 2 times, 3 3 2 times, 10 10 2 times and 2 2 2 times. Yes, it has come. So let us see. 60 into 10 600, 3 into 10 is 30, 60 into 2 is 120 and 3 into 2 is 6. Now Dinu added the numbers in the boxes. So all 630, 120 and 6 like this. 600 plus 30 plus 120 plus 6. So it would be 756. So 12 into 63 means 12 times 63. So 12 times 60 is 720. See, I told you that you can put 0 first and then 12 6 is 72. So that is 720. So the answer is more than 720 and also the answer is less than 800. Can you tell why? See, 12 6 is 72, 12 7 is 84, right? And here it is 63, not it is less than 70, so it would be less than 800. So for 63 kilogram of plastic, Dinu will pay rupees 756. Kiran bought 1 kilogram of plastic for rupees 10 but sold 1 kilogram of plastic for rupees 12. How much money does she earn on selling 1 kilogram of plastic? So here it is a question of, see, it is clearly mentioned that how much money does she earn, right? It means it is a question of profit, right? She bought plastic at rupees 10 and sold it at rupees 12. So buying price 10, buying price is also called as cost price. So cost price is 10 and selling price is 12. So for profit we have to selling price we have to subtract 10 from 12. Selling price minus cost price is equal to profit. So 12 minus 10 is equal to 2, right? So 2 rupees he has earned. So how much money does she earn for rupees 63 kilograms? So 63 kilogram multiplied by 2 we have to do. So cost of 1 kilogram plastic is rupees 10. Cost price of 1 kilogram plastic is rupees 10. Selling price of 1 kilogram plastic is 12. Profit on selling 1 kilogram plastic is equal to 12 minus 10 is equal to rupees 2. So profit on selling 63 kilogram plastic is equal to 2 into 63. That is rupees 126. We do it in the following manner: 2 into 60. 2 into 3 is 6. 120 plus 6 equals to 126. See, we have to multiply 2 with 63. So we'll break 63 into ones and tens, that is 3 and 60. So 2 6s are 12 and we'll put 0, that is 2 into 60, that is 120. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So 120 plus 6 is equal to 126. Therefore 2 into 63 is 126. Hence Kiran will earn rupees 126 on selling 63 kg of plastic. Kiran sells 32 kg iron. How much money will Dinu pay for 32 kg of iron? So let us see, the cost of 1 kg of iron is equal to rupees 14. So cost of 32 kg iron is equal to rupees 14 into 32, that is rupees 448. So how we will do it? I'll show you. Say this box multiplication. 14 is broken into 2, that is ones and tens, that is 4 and 10, and 32 is also broken into 2, that is ones and tens, 30 and 2. Then we have multiplied and we'll add all the 4 products, right? 13 to 10, that is 300, 13 to 4, that is 120, 10 into 2 is 20, and 2 into 4 is 8. Now we'll add up 300 plus 120 plus 220 plus 8, that is equal to 448. So Dinu will have to pay rupees 448 for 32 kg iron. Kiran buys 1 kg of iron for rupees 12 but sells it for rupees 14. So here also cost price is 12, selling price is 14. So selling price minus cost price equals to profit. So 14 minus 12 equals to 2 rupees profit. How much does she earn when she sells 32 kg of iron? Let us see. Cost of 1 kg iron for Kiran is equal to rupees 12. Cost of, that is selling price of 1 kg iron, is equal to rupees 14, and profit on selling 1 kg iron is equal to rupees 14 minus 12 is equal to rupees 2. So profit on selling 32 kg of iron is equal to rupees 2 into 32, that is rupees 64. So how we will do it? So we'll do it in following manner, that is 2 into 30 is equal to 60, and 2 into 2, that is rupees 4. So 60 plus 4 equals to 64. Thus Kiran earns rupees 64 on selling 32 kg iron. What will Dinu pay for 152 kg newspaper? So the rate of 1 kg newspaper is 6. So the cost of 152 kilogram newspaper is rupees 6 into 152. So Dinu writes like this. See, now this time we are dividing 152 into 3 parts, that is ones, tens and 100, that is 152, right? So 152 is multiplied with 6, 100 into 6, 50 into 6, 2 into 6. So 100 into 6 is 600, 50 into 6 is 300, 2 into 6 is 12. Six into 100 is equal to 600. So the answer is more than 600. Is the answer less than 1000? How did you guess? Okay. Then he add the number in the boxes, that is 600, 312, that is 912. So for 152 kilogram newspaper, he will give Kiran rupees 912. Now at the right side of right bottom side of your screen, can you see it? See, Kiran is thinking, I bought 1 kilogram newspaper for rupees 5 but sold it for rupees 6. So selling price is 6, cost price is 5, 6 minus 5, profit is rupees 1 rupee for kilogram. How much money did I earn by selling 152 kilogram of newspaper? So 152 kilogram multiplied by 1 rupee profit, that is rupees 152. What does Dinu pay for brass? How much money will Dinu pay for 4 kilogram of brass? Guess the answer first. Now let us check. Cost of 1 kilogram brass is equal to rupees 180. Cost of 4 kilogram brass is equal to 4 into 180, that is rupees 720. So we'll do it like this. See here at ones place 0 is there, so we'll not expand 180 further. So 180 multiply by 4. So 4 into 100 is 400 and 4 into 80, that is 320. Now we'll add up 400 plus 320. So 400 plus 320 is equal to 720. Thus, Dinu will pay rupees 720 for 4 kilogram brass. Now homework. First guess the answer and then calculate. You have to calculate these sums by box multiplication, right? Fill my diary. Kiran bought some junk from the junk collector. She paid them rupees 841. She sold the junk at Dinu's big shop and Dinu gave her these notes and coins. 6 notes of 100, 7 notes of 20, 8 notes of rupees 5, 4 coins of rupee 1, 6 notes of 10 rupees and 3 notes of 50 rupees. So here you have to multiply number of notes with the value of notes or coin. So she is writing something like this in her diary. 11 March 2007 is the date. On the left hand side she is writing money she received, and on the right side she is writing money she paid. So on the right side she has written money I paid, that is rupees 841, and on the left side she has written money I got, that is rupees 600, 6 note of 100, 3 note of 50 rupees, that is 150, 7 notes of 20 rupees, that is 140, 6 note of 10 rupees, that is 60, 8 notes of 5 rupees, that is 40, and 4 coins, that is rupees 994. Now at the right side bottom she has written total money she got, that is 994 rupees, minus money she paid, that is 841. So her profit or money she earned is rupees 153. Later she paid rupees 919 to the junk collector. When she sold the junk, she got these notes and coins from Dino. So here you can see 28 coins of rupees 5, 5 notes of 100, 1 note of 50 rupees, 18 note of 10 rupees and 9 note of 20 rupees. So we have to write in her diary. So the date, that is 18 March 2007. Money she paid is 919. Money she got is rupees 5 note of 100, that is 500, then rupees 50, then rupees 180, then again 180, then rupees 140, total rupees 1050. So total money she got is rupees 1050 and money she paid is rupees 919. So she will earn rupees 131. That's all for today. Thanks for your patience. Thank you very much.